Hey there, this is your Avon lady, Chris Arnold, and I have your product picks and preview for campaign 24 of 2018. And I have to say, this is my favorite campaign of the year. I just absolutely love this new holiday vintage Avon collection that we have. And then I have just so many other great things to show you in this campaign. So I will go ahead and just get started. So first off, we do have this beautiful collection of vintage Avon holiday gifts, starting with our iconic Avon lipstick. And I was joking at a meeting over the weekend that I really just like, not only do I want to carry this lipstick because it's just a gorgeous case, but I actually want to be able to like pull this box out of my pocket every time I go to put on lipstick. Just beautiful, beautiful box. Very, very much a nostalgic vintage look. And the lipsticks come in these vintage metal tubes with fun patterns. This is the Merry Mauve color. You can see that there. That's a nice kind of neutral medium tone mauve, very pretty color. But we also have there's 5 altogether, different tube designs and different colors. So you can see we've got a nice variety of colors, no matter what your taste is in lipstick shades, and then just lots of fun. It's funny, actually, the red plaid would be my favorite of the tubes, but I like the color in the white plaid for the lipstick shade. So just a nice, fun, great stocking stuffer. We also have, still in the area of lips, this great tin of lipstick samples, lipstick minis, and it's called the Avon Mistletoe Minis. And we've had a couple of these, boxes of the minis that you can get, so you can have like a nice, fun wardrobe, try out some new lipstick colors. But we've had them for Christmas last year and Mother's Day this year. But this time it comes in a very pretty tin. It's got the red plaid base and the beautiful vintage look top there. And it comes loaded up with 60 mini lipsticks in a variety of colors. There's 20 of our True Color lipstick, 20 of our Perfectly Matte lipsticks, 10 bold, and 10 of our Nourishing lipsticks. And so this would be also a fun gift. And I'm actually going to be using it to carry around my lipstick samples going forward, because it holds 60 of them, so it holds a nice variety, and it's just very pretty way to carry those. So that's the Mistletoe Minis lipstick sampler. One of the things that I didn't have to show is our little 12 Days of Christmas boxed gift. And it comes with 12 mostly mini products. We have a couple of full-size products. There's a full-size nail enamel, a full-size lipstick, full-size eyeshadow, and eyeliner. But then we have the travel size or the minis in the body wash, body lotion, some of our skincare favorites. Oh, and a full-size eye makeup remover lotion as well. So a fun little gift that you can do, with a different gift for each day of the 12 days of Christmas. And somebody had shared at a meeting that we had recently that they have customers that will get these for a fun thing to do in the office, where each person in the office draws a number and they get whatever's behind that door. So that's, and if you have, kind of a small office with maybe 3 or 6 people, everybody gets 2 or 3 little gifts out of there. So I thought that was a very fun idea and a neat way to use that little 12 Days of Christmas gift. This one is my absolute favorite of our little collections, and it's the it's the Beauty Classics collection, and it comes, it looks like these little books, looks like a box set of books, like if you get collector books, and they're actually look like books, and they've got titles on them on the side. And there are 3 volumes, And they are, each book is a eyeshadow or blush palette. So this is the blush colors, and the name of the book is In the Blush of Dawn. So you've got these great blush colors. Then She Dreams of Silver, and this is our kind of shimmery shades of eyeshadows, and lots of fun shades that really would go well, would complement just about any skin tone. And then we have the Eyes of Golden Wonder. Yes, Eyes of Golden Wonder. And that's our more neutral palette. There, so that's the eyeshadow palette. But I absolutely love this because it really calls back to Avon's actual origins. Avon was founded by a man, David H. McConnell. He was a door-to-door book salesman, and he had some perfume samples made up that he gave as gifts to his customers. And it turned out that the perfume samples were more popular than the books. So he left the book selling business and created what was then called the California Perfume Company in 1939. The name changed to Avon. So not only are all of the colors in this little set colors that I would use, colors that would be, again, colors that just about any skin tone, any woman can wear, but it also ties back to that history, the beginnings of Avon 132 years ago. So this is absolutely my favorite, and I'm sorry that my family can't get it for me for Christmas because I've already got it. So I just really love this very nostalgic piece celebrating the heritage of such a great company. So that's the Beauty Classics collection. We've just got so many great gifts and holiday, holiday collectibles and things like that. I have this is the pewter ornament for 2018. I know I have quite a few customers that collect these. I actually get these for one of my sisters every year, these pewter ornaments. So this is the 2018 one. It's a beautiful angel. And so, we have these type of, collector things. We've got a plate and a mug, also collector plates, and these ornaments here, the like painted ball type ornament. I have some customers that collect those, that get a new one of those each year. Let's see, we also have, it is time to start thinking about stocking stuffers and gifts for teachers and the mail carrier and your hairdresser and, people in your doctor's offices and places that you visit that you want to get little gifts for, coworkers, that sort of thing. So of course we have our usual stocking stuffers of holiday hand creams and lip balms, including our annual return of the Care Deeply with Aloe lip balm that lots of folks like. And also we have the Vitamoist hand cream that we only have available in mini. We don't have that available in a full size the rest of the year. So those are back. But we have expanded our stocking stuffer collection this year, or our small gift selection this year. We have 2 of our best-selling fragrances in a little purse size that come in these adorable little stockings. We have holiday emery boards and nice size mini bubble baths in holiday exclusive scents. So we have these mini bubble baths that are 3.4 ounces. They would be great to put in your travel bag to, if you're going to go away for a holiday vacation or maybe a little something after the new year and you're staying someplace with one of those nice big relaxing bathtubs. You've got some bubble bath that you can take with you. And they come in coconut, lime, sweet almond, and kiwi melon. So like I said, holiday exclusive scents that we don't have in our regular bubble bath line. Although, who knows, if any of these scents tend to sell better than any of the others, maybe they'll make an appearance in a full-size bottle before you know it. So lots of fun things that you can put together to make little mini gifts or use for stocking stuffers. Of course, our fall fragrance collection was a huge hit. In fact, many of the products in that line sold out quite quickly. So we have our seasonal delights and they come with the luxury fragrance oils. It's a very rich, moisturizing body lotion, great shower gels. And we've actually expanded the line a little bit. We have shower gel, body cream, hand cream, and body scrub in each of the lines. And we also have body spray. I don't know why I don't see that for, oh, body mist. There it is. So we have 5 products in each line. So you can really layer the scent and help that scent last longer and really enjoy it. So we have our gingerbread and cappuccino scent, and that is scented with cappuccino, topped with frothy milk, dusted with cinnamon, and served with warm gingerbread cookies. Now, doesn't that just make you think of winter and Christmas and the holidays? We also have the Holly Berry Kiss, which is the magical scent of Merry Berry freshness with juicy raspberries, spun sugar, and grapefruit. So it's got a nice crisp zest to it there. And then my absolute favorite, I got to smell this in July at our annual conference, RecFest, and just could not wait. I was so excited when this one came out. And it's our Frosted Citrus Bouquet. And it is a blend of clementines, amaryllis, iris, and snowflake frost. So it's got a very crisp, fresh scent. And I got the body lotion. And again, the body lotion is a very nice, rich, creamy body lotion. It's really more of a body cream. And I believe, actually, now that I think about it, we do call it a body cream. That's probably why it's more like a body cream than a body lotion. We also have the body scrub, which it was nice to see that. So now we have that option. You can get the shower gel or the body scrub, or you can get both, because most of us don't use body scrub every day when we shower. So you have your shower gel for body wash for your everyday, and then you have your body scrub for maybe once or twice a week when you like to just exfoliate the skin and soften that up a bit. And we have the hand cream, so you can take the scent with you and have that as well. So very happy about our seasonal delights fragrances. And if you do have a Campaign 24 brochure, if you do get one of those, there is a scented dot in the book for the Holly Berry Kiss. Let's see what's up next. Oh, we're almost done. Hey. Next up, we have the sterling silver birthstone rings, and they're like an eternity band ring, and it has kind of a nice little repeating pattern of round and diamond shaped little paves with your birthstone in the center, and it does go all the way around. Because if you're like me and you get a little bit fidgety with your jewelry, this is a great one to have because it's going to look the same no matter what way it turns. And again, I always say the great thing about birthstone jewelry is you can pick your birthstone, you can pick the birthstone of a loved one, maybe your spouse, your children, your parents, or you can just pick your favorite color. Because of course we've got 12 different colors to choose from in that collection. So, and this again makes a great gift, and I really love the idea of, and may have to get a couple more of these. I got February because that's my favorite color. Of course, I love purple, but this is also a great ring that would lend to, stacking to make a custom mom bracelet. So, I might also look into getting both of my daughter's birthstones and making a stacking ring as well. So that would be a great gift for moms on your holiday list. And last but not least, we have our Nailed It Holiday Ready. Excuse my little puppy in the background. He's not really a puppy. He's 10 years old, but he says it's time for breakfast. So we'll take care of that shortly. So this is our A box for Campaign 24. Again, love the classic red plaid on the box. And we say a lot of our holiday gift items come in boxes ready to give. And I actually have wrapping paper that looks just like this, so I wouldn't need to bother wrapping the box. Just slap a little bow on it, your to from label, you're ready to go. And an A box is a great gift to have on hand for that unexpected holiday guest. Or every once in a while we get a gift from someone that maybe we hadn't thought we were going to be exchanging gifts with, and this would be a great little thing to have on hand for those reciprocal gifts as well, because I know we all hate to get a gift and not have one in return for that person. And it has 3 full-size products and some exclusive jewelry. We've got two pairs of exclusive earrings there, and then we have the full-size eyeshadow duo nail polish and the True Color blush stick. So nice, great collection, and as always, only $10 with any $40 purchase from Campaign 24, and it's a $32 value. So great deal with those. So that's what I have for you for Campaign 24. I really will say, if you don't have the actual book handy, when Campaign 24 goes live on my website at uraavon.com/carnold, which will be, let me double check my calendar, make sure I've got the right date. Let's see, is going to be on October 30th. You'll want to get online and flip through the brochure, because there are just so many great things that I could actually be here all day showing you all of the wonderful gifts and holiday decor and that is in this brochure. It really is my favorite brochure for the year. So I hope you all are having a wonderful, wonderful day, and I will see you again in a couple of weeks.